play. Huh? How about that? Police car. It helps to keep order and makes sure no one breaks any rules. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheels. Wheels. Steering wheel. Trunk door. White seats. White seats. Radiator vent and bumper. Bumper. Doors. Doors. White roof. Right beacon light. Left beacon light. Beacon lights. It turned out so well. Let's gas up the car. Now press the pump to fill up the tank with fuel. Hooray! You did it! Let's go! Yes, you got it.